Hi, my name is Kim, top producing realtor here in Oregon, mother to three, and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things living in Oregon and real estate. Today I'm going to be talking about why I love living in Oregon and all my favorite things to do. Now, I can probably film a 2-hour episode about all my things to do, but you probably wouldn't watch it, so I'll keep this short. So here are my 5 favorite things to do here in Oregon. Number 1 is wine country. Now, within Oregon, we have a lot of different regions, but here, if you live in the Portland area, you have access to the Willamette Valley, which is only an hour outside the city. We have incredible Pinot Noir and a few other varieties, but you can go out there just for the day or for a weekend. We have incredible wineries with stunning tasting rooms, and it's always an amazing day out in wine country. Number 2 is the Columbia Gorge, or referred to as just the Gorge if you're a local here. So the Columbia Gorge is the area between Oregon and Washington where Columbia River separates the two states. There's so much to do in the gorge. So it's really known for windsurfing, but there's plenty of other things to do as well. So for me, I really enjoy the wineries out there, fruit picking. So there's different fruit varieties out there. So I go out there with my children very often. Hiking, mountain biking is really incredible, and it's just a really relaxed place to be. And on your way out to the gorge, be sure to check out Multnomah Falls, and there's just really incredible hiking in the gorge. Next is the coast, from Astoria down to Gold Beach and all the towns along the way. We have access to seafood, incredible hikes, and just beautiful scenery. There's so many cool small towns like Neskowin and Tillamook and Cannon Beach. I really love taking my kids out to the coast to put their eyes on the Pacific Ocean. Next is Mount Hood. So you have both winter and summer activities. So for winter, you can find me there skiing or snowshoeing. And in the summer, I'm up there often hiking. But Mount Hood is just outside the city, about 45 minutes, and it is an amazing amenity here if you live in the Portland area. Lastly, my other favorite thing about Oregon here is Central Oregon. So we're talking about Bend, Sisters, and that region. So Central Oregon is really known for its drier landscape, so it's high desert. You have Mount Bachelor for both summer and winter activities. The town of Bend has great food, great shopping. It's known for mountain biking, and it's really just a really cool vibe and a change of scenery. Also, Bend gets a lot of great concerts, so that's one thing I really recommend is if you're into live music, paying attention to this concert schedule that comes through Bend. But most people here, if you're living in the Portland area, will spend a few weekends a year in Central Oregon. If you're thinking about moving to Oregon and have any questions about living here, you can find my contact information in the description below. And please remember to subscribe to my channel to be notified of future episodes.